up, my bomb-ass subscriber squad? Since someone told me they like my dancing, I'm going to keep it up in the videos, y'all. Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. For you people that may not know, I am your host for today. Y'all, I need a name. I don't know what to call this. I'm feeling like some kind of punk rocker band member, like I could be in the front playing the guitar or playing them keyboards, but I think the guitar is more sexier. So I need a name for today, y'all. I'm thinking something like Chainsaw. Oh my God, y'all, help your girl out. You know, I am just like, ooh. Y'all, I'm feeling good today. I'm finally feeling better. Thank the Lord. Thank you guys for all of your positive well wishes and prayers. I appreciate them so much. Y'all have no idea. I truly have some real bomb-ass subscribers. I love you guys so much. I swear I do. Y'all are so amazing. God, y'all amazing. So guys, today we're going to be unboxing. This is Slay Glam box, y'all. Yeah, I'm sure y'all saw from the title, huh? Yeah, so Chainsaw and Slay Glam today. What y'all think? Now, I can't keep that voice up too long because y'all, I will be coughing. So we're going to talk regular. I'm sorry. But y'all call me Chainsaw, I think. Or give me a good name. I don't know. So if you guys want to see what's inside of October's Slay Glam box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. What would you call me today? I mean, I need a name, y'all. Y'all got to give me something. Chainsaw, I don't think it's going to work unless y'all like it. Okay, my bomb-ass subscribers, y'all. Thank y'all so much for all of your well wishes and prayers. I needed them. I appreciate them so much. Lord, the weekend was so rough for me, y'all. Y'all had no idea. It was a bad weekend. Like, ooh, it was bad. I thought I was just, ooh, girl, it was a bad weekend. So I do appreciate all of you guys, all of the well wishes and the prayers that you sent my way. I swear you guys are really something special, and I appreciate each and every one of you so much. I really do, guys. I really do. So yeah, guys, we're unboxing Slay Glam today. Now, y'all know we got to make a decision. This is the month, whether we're going to keep Slay Glam for another 3 months or we're going to kick them out the door, babe. So y'all got to let me know what y'all want me to do toward the end of this video because, yeah, we need to make a decision today. Okay? Okay. Oh, now, in my Ipsy Glam bag video, one of my subscribers, G. Smith, sorry, I don't know if you want me to say your name, but we're going to just call her G then. Well, she came in the comments because I said I had bronchitis, guys. And she thought I was going to say, ain't nobody got time for that. But I didn't. So that one was for you, G. Ain't nobody got time for no damn bronchitis. And especially not TonyaNicole, boo, when I'm trying to be Chainsaw today. Oh, girl. Lord, I got to get out the character, y'all. So let's get on into our unboxing because I could go on and on and on with this character and it's not going to work today. So guys, it came in this beautiful, it's like a mauvey pink color. I actually think it goes with, oh, there's a mosquito. I actually think it goes with the fall theme. So I love the bag. Good job. Then when you pull it out, you get this bag. I did open it already because the lady Rasha contacted me from Slay Glam and told me that she put a little something in here for me for my birthday. So I had to, y'all, I couldn't hold it. I had to peek. Once I felt the bag, I saw they had something on the outside of the box. So I pulled it out. I'm gonna show y'all what it is in a little bit, okay? So let's get some specs on this box and unbox her. For you guys that do not know, Slay Glam is a $24 per month beauty subscription, including free shipping, which I will give a thumbs up for that. I always love free shipping. You get 5 to 7 full-size beauty products, and it's supposed to have a minimum value of around $100 or maybe $120. I think it's $100. What I love about this subscription is that they let you customize some of your products on Instagram, or you can email her, but I suggest you guys follow her on Instagram so that you can see what's coming in the box and you can customize. But I try not to look at spoilers because y'all know I love to be surprised with you guys. Without further ado, let's get on to this unboxing. I do have a code, guys, Tonya Slays. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to subscribe. You can get some coins off of your first box. So Now, let's get this box unboxed. So guys, when you take it out, it looks like this cute little purse. I did see some other unboxings that complained about the packaging, and I get what they're saying. The box is thin, but she does, you know, this is like a bubble wrapped bag here. So I don't think I've ever gotten anything damaged from Glam. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Y'all know I'm gonna have to go back and look now, but I don't think that I've ever received anything damaged. But I always did love the packaging. It's so cute. Every month, Glam comes with a card, which y'all know I love that. And this is the front of the card. It just says, thank you for subscribing, Glam box. And on the back is a list of the prices as well as all of the products we will receive for this month. She did contact me on Instagram and let me know she was going to be putting something extra in the box for my birthday next month. So I was very excited for that. And y'all know I just couldn't wait. I had to see what it was. So it was these wait, let me see. It was the Glam lash box here. And I don't want to blind you guys, but I did open them. And guess what? These top lashes right here, boo, I got them on right now. Y'all see that? Ooh, I love them. They did bend well to the eye. I really did like them. They're soft. They feel like natural lashes. They don't feel too stiff, but they also come with 4 more pairs, and y'all know how I feel about lashes. I absolutely adore them, and I just want to say a special thank you to Glam for sending me these. I will enjoy them, and I'm definitely probably going to wear these bottom ones right here, these super sexy cat eye ones for my birthday, November 13th. Look at that. Ooh, it's almost Scorpio season. Okay, guys, so let's get right on into it. Y'all, this is drawn out entirely too long. Okay, so up first, oh, the voice going out, y'all. Gotta hurry up. So up first, we have from Manicador this Lippy Love lip scrub here. And this, guys, is what the outside packaging is looking like. Just a nice, sleek black tube. And we're gonna open it up. Oh, I hit it on my nose. It smells like a cough syrup, cough medicine. I don't know which one it is, but it smells like that. So it's supposed to be a lip scrub. Oh, okay. So once I rub it down a little bit, I start to get a little bit of those, like, I call them salt grains, but they feel like sand, but it's not harsh at all. And the more that I actually rub it in, the more that it kind of disappears. So yeah, okay. I need a good lip scrub because y'all know it's winter time and the lips be dry. So yeah, we need a little something that's gonna help them out during the winter when I'm wearing all these matte lipsticks, right? Yeah. So this, guys, is again the Manicador Lip Exfoliator Lip Scrub, and this retails for $24. Now, Manicador, I don't know, babe, about no $24 for this, but came in a subscription box, so I will appreciate it. But y'all think I would pay $24? No. Let's see what we got next, y'all. So up next, I'm seeing from Kalen Cosmetics this Pure Lust. Ooh, I like that name. Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint Plus Mousse. And this is, I don't know what shade. I think it's the one that I picked. Let me open it so I can show you guys. All right, guys, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like right here. And I think this is like a matte lipstick. Well, mousse. Okay. Doesn't really have a scent. Let's swatch it. Ooh, I don't know if I picked the right color, y'all. I don't think I did. But this is what the color is looking like. It's not bad. I should have went with the darker color. This is my fault because I did choose this one. But I should have gone with the darker color like I always do. So that was my mistake. But this is what it looks like, guys. I'll probably pass this one on to my mom. She's a tad bit lighter skin tone. So I think this will look better on her. I don't know. It may look okay on me if I put it with a liner, but if not, I'll just pass it on to my mother. So yeah. So let's see what this retails for. So this right here, guys, is the Kalen Cosmetics Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint Mousse Lipstick. And this retails for $19. Okay, guys. So up next, we have, oh, girl, we got something from ColourPop. We got a ColourPop product, which I've never received in a subscription box before, I don't think. And this is the Super Shock Shadow, and it is an ultra metallic shadow in the shade Bumblebee. So let's see what it looked like. So this is what the shade is looking like, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely love it. Now, I don't know if I will use this shade. I don't know, guys. It's just I might create a cute fall look with this. Let's swatch it. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, it feels so wet like. And this is how it swatched out. It is gorgeous, guys. I can't wait to put this on my eyes. I'm gonna have to do a look with this one, guys, for y'all, because I know y'all want to see it. I'm gonna do a nice, beautiful brown and orange fall look. Okay, guys, and this retails for $6. You got it? $6. Up next, we have something in bubble wrap. Let's see what it is. Now, I think it was also 2 variations of this palette as well. So you either could get the trick or treat, or there was a fall palette. And it looks like she picked the trick or treat for me. So this is the trick or treat eyeshadow palette from Jonathan Gray Beauty, which I haven't heard of this brand before, but this is what the outside packaging is looking like. If you have heard of this brand, please let me know down below in the comments your thoughts on this brand. And it says that it is cruelty-free and it has a shelf life of 24 months. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging, which I actually really do like. I like the sleek packaging. It does come with this little brush here. Let me hold it up so you guys can see. It does come with this little brush and a little plastic and a mirror. And this, guys, is the palette. Excuse my nails, they desperately need to be re-dipped. But this is the palette, guys. We got a nice matte black, we got a shimmer purple and yellow, a matte orange, and a pigment, not a pigment, a pressed glitter shade. Y'all know I don't really care for the pressed glitter too much, but I think this is a really cute palette. I think my orange is showing up a little bit yellow. Yeah, so that's the orange shade, and this is the rest of the palette, guys. But I don't know if I would dip into this often. So I think we're going to put this little baby. Oh, and the black has a little shimmer in it too. If y'all want me to create a look with this palette, let me know. I will. But if y'all want it in a giveaway, let me know and I will. So it's pretty much up to you guys. So yeah, let's see how much this retails for, guys. And this right here is the Jonathan Gray Beauty eyeshadow palette, the Trick or Treat palette, and it retails for $31.50. Now, for a 5-shadow palette, these better be really good for $31.50, especially from a brand I don't really know too much about, but still, $31.50 for 5 shadows? Ooh, I don't know. But let me know what y'all think. Would y'all pay $31 for this? I don't know. Also, guys, I do have a quick little announcement. I am starting a Poshmark. I will put the link down below. I don't have anything on it yet, guys. But as soon as I get a day off from work, which I think is Thursday, I am going to be uploading some of my gently used palettes, some foundations that I have not used, just all kind of stuff that I have here that I did not put in giveaways for you guys. Some of it is brand new. Some of it is stuff that is gently used. And when I say gently, maybe I touch one shadow out of it. Yeah, guys, I will be starting up a Poshmark. So I will put the link down below. Hopefully on Thursday, we will have some items on there. So yeah, just check it out, guys. See if you like anything, whatever. No obligations from me, guys. Just letting you guys know. That's all. So let's move on to our final product, which is this big purple bag here. Now, I won't lie, I did see the spoiler for this, guys, and this is a Crown Beauty brush set. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, and it opens up like a purse. Y'all know I like a little clutch, but this one, I don't know, I might just go and give this one away. It does come with the mirror, but this is what it looks like on the inside. You get 5 brushes in a tweezer set right here. Well, we could fold it back, duh. Oh, it's got a little cute mirror. Hey, girl. You get 5 brushes here that's in some plastic. I'm not sure. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all want these in a giveaway, or y'all want me to touch them? A couple of them, maybe one. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm going to just take the crease blender brush out so that you guys can see. This is what it looks like on the end. This is what the handle looks like. I'm going to touch this one, y'all. Okay, so it's very soft. I probably could use this. I'll probably just keep this one and use this to blend things out, unless you guys want to see me create a look using this case, I will. But if not, then I'll just put it in a giveaway for one of you guys. I do like the brush set. It's very pretty. Y'all know purple is like my favorite color. That's why I'm so pressed to just keep them. But let me know what you guys think. If you want this little tweezer and brush set here, let me know. I could put it in a giveaway, or I could create a look with it and show you guys. It's really up to you all. But let's see what this retails are for. I'm happy to get this. I love getting brush sets, and a set with a little case is like the bomb.com. Okay, guys, so this 7-piece HD brush set from Crown Beauty, which also includes a tweezer and a mirror, retails for $19.99. Yeah. I also want to let you guys know, I forgot to mention earlier, with these Slay Glam lash boxes, it says on the bottom of the card here, try our new lash box, get 5 pairs of luxury lashes for only $15 per month, plus free USA shipping. Use the code ISLAY for 10% off of your first lash box. So yeah, go on and check them out. Also, guys, don't forget to use Tonya Slays to get some money off of your first Slay Glam subscription box. So that's all I need to say about that. So guys, that was my final product. We're going to do a recap, final thoughts, rate the box, and we'll be done. I got a character a little while. Y'all ain't remind me. So we got from Manicador this exfoliating lip scrub here. From Kalen Cosmetics, this Pure Lust Extreme Matte Tint Mousse lipstick here. We also got from ColourPop this Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Bumblebee. From Crown Beauty, this 7-piece brush set. And from Jonathan Gray Beauty, this Trick or Treat palette here. So that is 5 products for this month. So guys, the eyelash box is not included in the subscription box for this month, okay? Just want to let you guys know. Final thoughts on this box for this month. I thought that the box was cool. I like the box for this month. I definitely like the fact that we got a ColourPop eyeshadow in the box for this month. The lipstick I will play with and see how I like it. I think I picked the wrong color for me though, guys. Honestly, I don't ever wear that shade, but that was my fault because I did pick this. These two I may be putting in a giveaway for you guys unless you guys want me to do a try on with these. I'm excited that she did incorporate some Halloween themed things in the box for this month, so that kind of makes the score go up a little bit. As far as the box contents, I thought it was a good box. I just wasn't like super duper excited. I'm sorry. I like Slay Glam. Oh, y'all know I like Slay Glam. But I thought for the box, I thought it was an okay box. I think that whoever get the box will get a lot of good use out of the products, especially since she lets you customize products. I picked this because it looked a little different on Instagram. And I'll try to find a picture to show you guys the other 3 variations of the lipstick. But I did pick this one, so I cannot even front because she knew what color to send me, but I picked something else, so that was my bad. I don't think it's a bad box. I just don't think that it's like, ooh, okay, you know? So yeah, that's my thoughts. So guys, if we had to rate this box on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it to the wolves, to 5, being this box is the bomb.com, we're going to rate Slay Glam for the month of October. I'm going to give her 3 for this month. I think it's in the middle. I think it's actually good enough for me to want to subscribe more, but I'm just not that thrilled about it yet. You know, let me know what you think of Slay Glam. Do you want me to keep this subscription for 3 more months, or do you want me to go ahead and cancel it? I need you guys' opinion. Do y'all like seeing this unboxing, or are you tired and want to see something different? If you have not subscribed to the Bomb Ass Subscriber Squad, I don't know what you're doing. You sleep, you need to wake on up. Smash that button and subscribe to your girl. I'm telling you, y'all, we are lit over here. If you don't follow me on social media, I don't know what's going on either, but go on and follow me on Instagram because that's where I'm most active. I always post on Instagram. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I know you like it. I know you want to. I'd appreciate it. It helps me out so much. That's all I have. I have to go drink some tea, guys, and rest my voice. I feel it going. Chainsaw is really coming out. Okay, guys, I am done. I'm going to bed. I love you all so much. Until next time and next video, you guys stay blessed and positive. Spread love and spread joy. I love it. Peace. Y'all like chainsaw, huh? I know.